Good morning, guys, and welcome to Trade Confident. You are doing very well on this channel if you guys are following us. Guys, Link right now is up 44% for those of you guys in here. I'm calling an official exit right now of 25% at this price, which would be $35.30. Make sure you guys do exit that if you are following me on this channel. Okay, you guys are at 44% on Link. You guys are currently up. Let's see where you're on XRP. XRP is pumping. You guys, if you're following this channel and you're subscribed, you have your membership over at tradeconfident.io. This is $49 a month. You do get all of our live trade calls. I'll go over that in a second. But for XRP, you're up 18.60%. Dogecoin, you guys are up even a little bit more. I just got done doing that video, so you're up about 5.65%, and 88 right now is going up just a little bit here, so we're making a little bit more profit. We're up 14.41% on 88, and Ethereum here is still kind of cruising here, moving down just a little bit, which is actually favorable for the short trade. Make sure you guys are getting ready for the long trade over there. Okay, guys, for Link, you are doing fantastic. Here's how people got into this trade. I'm going to cover this real quick, and then we're going to go over the actual metrics here. I want to show you guys the emotional index today. I want to show you guys the long versus short trades, the smart money of what they're doing as far as the well and institutional smart money. If it's good to take a long trade or a short trade today, looking at support and resistance prices as well as dollar cost average entries and exits. So guys, let's jump on in. We're currently up $867 in the last 3 weeks here for the trades that we've taken, and we're doing very, very well. All right, so obviously we're in here. We're looking for an exit at 44.02%. We've already exited 50% into the market here, okay? We exited 50% at 31.08, and I'm calling another 25% exit at $35 in the market here, okay? If you guys have your, basically what I'm calling a sell stop move in here for, this is the 25%. So 25% stop loss here. The 25% is going to be placed today, if that makes sense, guys. 25%. So we have 50 exited plus another 25%. What does that leave us? 25%. I want you guys to take this entry point here, and I want you guys to actually move this up to structure low here. So this is going to be a move up of the stop loss for this trade to $29.48. Why am I calling this? Well, it all has to do with the trend exhaustion indicator down here and the price versus the well money flow, which has been ridiculously accurate at calling the tops and bottoms of the moves here for all of the cryptocurrencies. It called the last 14 moves up and down for Bitcoin, if you guys watched that video I did a couple days ago. So going into the past here, we can see that when we start pushing up into these top red territories, so basically it's a top red zone. This is the top red zone I'm talking about when I'm talking on these videos, guys. And this is the bottom red zone. This indicator is probably one of the, it is the most accurate or one of the most accurate indicators to call the tops and the bottoms for coins. Take a look at this area. Right when we were getting up into the top red section, you can follow these crosshairs straight up. That's when we were pushing up into these top areas, and then we ended up seeing this drop back down, creating the higher low formation for this pump, which has been very nice. Also, when we saw it immediately get down into the bottom red section, this is when it called the bottom of this move here, and that's when you guys started getting back in there. Anybody who got back into the bottom here just using this indicator here, you guys are doing fantastic. Like, you're up a ton of money. We actually ended up getting in at the bottom here, called out on this channel at literally the rock bottom down here of 24.80, and that is how, well, not how, probably the reason why you guys want to subscribe here. We are live trading on every single one of these videos here, and definitely make sure you guys do have your membership over here. It is literally just $49 a month, and you guys are doing fantastic. Those of you guys who are trading with $100,000 on each buy limit that we use, you're doing great. You're up, $44,000 on this one single trade. Those of you who have 1,000, you guys are currently up about $440. So very, very good. Okay, let's take a look at the metrics real quick of what Link is showing us, and then we'll get an idea of what we can expect here. We are pushing up here into the greedy section. These metrics will update this morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So that's going to be literally in about an hour here. It's 7:03 that I'm currently recording this video. So when this pushes up in the top the top sections here into the greedy and excited, it can get overextended in the market, but overextensions will always have a drop that follows. Okay, nothing can go up forever. When I see an overextension like this and it doesn't drop, soon, within a few days after, that's when I expect to see bigger drops in the market. We take a look back here. When we pushed up into the excited area, we did see a drop back down. We saw this drop back down as well when we pushed up into the excited area, and we saw that move down. We also saw the all-time high push us up into the greedy territory for retail traders, which, when emotions are very high like this is where wells, institutions, and smart money look to short the market. Okay, I'm just going to show you this to you guys. Long versus short trades. These are actually on-chain metrics of what's happening right now. So long trades are actually moving out, and this, remember, make sure you guys watch this morning because it's going to update in about an hour here. But long trades are a little bit moving out of the market, and short trades are actually increasing, creating a higher low formation on the short trades. Well, I wonder why that's happening. Probably because it's going through the roof, and it's maybe people are looking to short this out. My gosh, you guys are currently at 44.86%. This is insane. So watch that over this week. I won't be able to cover Link a ton this week because we're going to try to cover Bitcoin, Ethereum, the top 5 majors. But here's what you guys need to be watching for over the weekend if you guys are like, man, is Link going to keep going up or are we just going to drop here? If long trades move out of the market here and short trades actually increase, this is obviously a bearish sign that we could be seeing a lot of short sentiment into the market and dropping Link back down. Okay, that's something you want to watch. Alternatively, guys, if these long trades just keep increasing here and we actually start seeing a decrease of short trades, that's very bullish, and you could see Link. I'm not going to give predictions yet. I'll do it at the end of this video of how high Link can actually go. It's pretty crazy. So long versus short trade risk. If you're looking at trades in here, I highly suggest you guys use the method that we're using and you guys simply wait for the next trade setup. So really quickly, I'll go back over here, but the long trades, go to the front page and click live trades. Once you do that, scroll down here, click any of these guys. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Cardano, Ripple, Uniswap, VeChain, and Polygon, all these in here. What you guys want to do is come down and go to Link, which is actually on the second page here, and you guys are going to click in here. Once you click in here, what you're going to see is you're going to see the live price in white, and I'm going to use Bitcoin for an example since this is, I want to protect it for our paying users, but you'll see Link in white. Right now, you guys have 4 yellow lines below the current price of Link. What I'm suggesting you guys do and what we're doing on this channel, we're doing really well. You guys enter 25% at each buy limit. So for example, if you have $1,000 you're trading with, 250 goes here, 250 goes here, 250 here, and 250 here. This is giving us incredible risk management entering into these trades because we're not going to market order in all at once. Incredible risk management. And then what you guys can look to do is set your take profit at the first yellow line above the current price when you guys get into the market, okay? And then use any of our metrics we have over here to call exits whenever you want. Or I highly suggest you guys get the trend exhaustion because I call exits. Last time we ended up getting up here in the top red section, we saw the drop, I called a 25% exit. Now that we're back up here to the top section, I'm calling another 25% exit. Could this keep going up? Yes, you still have 25% in the market if you want to keep riding this thing up. So great job for those of you guys in here. Quickly, let's finish the metrics here, and I want to go over some targets of how high this can go. Support and resistance prices. We are, needed to break the 31.74. Did we break that? 31.74, we blasted past that, okay? Let's keep going down here. Those of you guys who bought into any dollar cost average entries that have been called out on this channel are doing super well. And when this updates this morning, obviously you're going to see this move up here. So great job for all of you guys who are trading this indicator. Basically, you can wake up in the morning. If you see a green line, you can, if you don't want to set buy limits or stop loss or anything like that, you can just throw in, $1,000 at every single one of these points, 10,000, choose whatever you'd like to do, okay? Taking a look at this, these exit points here, we did see these bars come out here, and this is where I ended up calling very close to the exit of the 25%. Remember, this is on the daily time frame here, and this is on the 4 hour, so it's going to look just a little bit, it's going to look like it just happened, but remember, these are 4, 12, many bars are happening before these come out. That's all I want to say there. So the red structures did come out here for the exit points of long trades. That's why we ended up taking that exit. Guys, if this starts pushing up here and we start seeing red bars come out, I would expect to see this take a little bit of a move back down. Now, let's talk about how high Link can actually go here. Let's zoom out. We're going to go to the full-time chart. This is sitting at a ridiculous resistance point structure right now. If you guys don't see this, I want to point this out to you. It's sitting over here right at this $35 level, okay? So this is another reason why I definitely want you guys to be exiting today. If you guys are following this channel, it's not financial advice. I have to put that out there. But since we have a strong resistance, we have this pushed up to the top red zone. It is very smart that you guys look to exit 25% and you're up 45.21% at the moment here. If this structure high is broken, the question is going to be how high are we going to go there after that? I do believe this structure high right around this area, which is going to be at about 45 cents, is the next place where we could push up to. This is going to be very, very bullish because currently Link is actually moving. it's moving and coinciding with Bitcoin because Bitcoin's moving up. Ethereum's just kind of doing its own thing, maybe doing a double top formation, possibly seeing a move back down. But it's kind of just rallying around its own users and just pumping right now. So with the resistance, with the trend exhaustion being so high, with money flow pushing up this high to the top sections where historically money loves to flow out of the market when it gets to these top areas, like it's very clear, money loves to flow out of the market. This is where whales are looking to take their profit, dropping back down here. We see this pushing up to the top area and we drop down here. So last 1, 2, 3, could we see this fourth time come out and actually see another drop? I do absolutely believe this could be a pump up to the top side here and we could be seeing a move back down. With this channel, I'm going to give you guys, basically you're going to get in, you're going to be prepared both ways. 25% is still riding as we move up, but I'm calling a 25% exit right here. Congrats guys. Good job on subscribing to this channel. Turn the bell notification on. I'm live trading on every single one of these videos. Make sure you guys do come over to tradeconfident.io, sign up for your guys' membership. Make sure you have your buy limits set for the next trade you guys want to enter into, and then make sure you guys get those indicators if you want. They're in the description. Have a good one, guys. God bless you so much. If you guys do want the bundle, I'm sorry this is such a long video. I want to point this out. If you guys do want all of the indicators that I have literally ever coded for TradingView, you guys can get the bundle and save. It gives you every single one of my indicators. You guys can get that today. Get on your chart, follow along, and enjoy the profits that you're making. Currently, guys, you are up at the moment, ending this video, 44.71%. Make sure to exit 25%, and I'll keep the videos coming. Bye-bye, guys. Have a good one. God bless you so much. Bye-bye.